Good morning students. Welcome to your science online class. I hope you all are healthy and safe. This is your science teacher and today we will start a new chapter of chemistry. Students, as we all know that clothing is the basic need of our life. So in today's chapter we will learn how we get clothes and how fiber is converted into fabric. So before starting, let's see what are the topics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. First is introduction. Second topic is fabric and fiber, in which we will see what is fabric and what is fiber. Third topic is animal fibers, in which we will discuss about wool and silk. And last topic is प्रोडक्शन एंड डिस्कवरी ऑफ वूल एंड सिल्क, जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे एनिमल से वूल एंड सिल्क को ऑब्टेन किया जाता है और कैसे इन्हें फैब्रिक में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इफ़ यू लुक अराउंड योर सेल्फ देन यू विल सी द वेरियस फैब्रिक्स लाइक शर्ट, स्वेटर, carpet, curtain, bedsheet, etc. And these variety of fabrics can be of cotton, wool, silk, polyester, etc. Now the question is, what is this fabric made up of? So students, look at this picture. If we closely observe this fabric or any kind of fabric, then we will find some long threads like structure in the corner. And these thread-like structures are called yarn. Now see this picture. You must have tried this activity at your home. अगर हम किसी थ्रेड को फिंगर से स्प्लिट करते हैं तो हमें फाइन स्ट्रैंड्स देखने को मिलते हैं, जिन्हें हम फाइबर कहते हैं. सो फाइबर को ही यार्न में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है और यार्न को आपस में हॉरिजॉन्टली एंड वर्टिकली अरेंज करके फैब्रिक बनाया जाता है. So let's see what are fibers. Students, all the clothes are made up of fibers. Fibers are long thread-like structure and are of two types, natural and man-made. First, natural fibers are those fibers which are obtained from plants and animals. Examples: jute, cotton, wool and silk. While man-made fibers are synthesized in laboratory or factory. For example, nylon, terylene, acrylic, etc. Now, here you can see a flow chart of fibers. Fibers दो टाइप के होते हैं, नेचुरल एंड सिंथेटिक. नेचुरल के दो एग्जाम्पल हैं, प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल फाइबर्स, एंड सिंथेटिक के नाइलॉन एंड पॉलिस्टर. क्लास 6 में हमने प्लांट फाइबर्स के बारे में डिस्कस किया एंड इन क्लास 7 वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट एनिमल फाइबर्स लाइक वूल एंड सिल्क. एज वी ऑल केम टू नो दैट देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल फाइबर्स, वूल एंड सिल्क. वूल वी गेट फ्रॉम द हेयर ऑफ sheep, camel, yak, etc. While silk is obtained from silkworm. So let's study about wool. It was first discovered in Europe, as cotton was first discovered in India. Wool is obtained from the hair of sheep, camel, goat and rabbit. We wear woolen clothes to protect ourselves from cold weather. So it is suitable fiber for making winter clothes. There are many animals that bear a thick coat of hair on their body, like this sheep. Here you can see this thick coat of hair traps a lot of air and keep them warm. दुनिया में सबसे पहले वूल शीप की हेयर से बनाया गया था. This thick layer on their body helped them to survive in the coldest weather. So this was all about fibers, fabrics and types of fibers. In our next video, we will study more about wool and silk.